Safe soil and a very happy birthday to the great Sadhguru.
May he live long, may all of his endeavors be blessed by the great and powerful Shiva and all divine holy beings.
Beautiful. Please leave some happy birthdays for Sadhguru, some wishes and blessings in the comment section. And we're gonna watch Sojugada Sooju Mallige. Wow, probably very badly pronounced. Anyways, it's a sound of Isha, and supposedly this song made Sadhguru cry.
Yeah, let's check it out. And if you want to see Sadhguru cry, hit that like button.
The devotees of Shiva have grown in many different ways, many dimensions. Some saw him as their husband, some as their lover, some as their god, some as their teacher, many ways. And they express their devotion in 1,000 different ways in this country. So here, we have this girl from Karnataka, Ananya Bhat. She stole my heart with this one song. So, this is about a rural woman expressing her love for Shiva in her own way, in her own simple way, what she wants to do to him and how she feels about it. Here you have Ananya Bhat singing for you her now very famous song all over the world, and Sojugada.
Sojugada.
Instant goosebumps.
Beautiful voice.
Oh, he's crying already.
Sojugada Sooju Mallige, Mahadeva mande myale tundige. Sojugada Sooju Mallige, Mahadeva mande myale tundu mallige. ಅಂದಾವರೆ ಮುಂದಾವರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಾವರೆ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಚಂದಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾಲೆ ಬಿಲ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚಂದಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾಲೆ ಬಿಲ್ಪತ್ರೆ ತುಳಸಿದಳವ ಮಾದಪ್ಪನ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೋಜುಗದ
Okay, we listened to many songs, but I think this one was just on another level.
Yeah.
It was just on another level.
Yeah, so beautiful. Her voice was amazing.
That was incredible.
Yeah, and the lyrics were profound, all about, worship and devotion. You know, offering, flowers and obeisances. Yeah, and giving up the home, going to the mountain. Yeah, and committing to the path.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I found her energy so pure, and her voice, like...
Oh, yeah.
There was so much purity in there. Yeah, that was very special, and it was perfect for Sadhguru's birthday. So our member Maliket, I just want to thank you and shout out. He posted this one on Discord. It is very special. I didn't feel like there was no need to dance, no need to do anything. There was just
feel the vibes.
It was too just almost too beautiful, huh? But at the same time, I'm very irritable today, so if you wonder why I didn't cry, it's because this already took this just calmed me down, but
took the edge off.
It took the edge off, exactly. But other than that, it was a very nice break from my irritability.
Yeah, to put Sadhguru in such a state instantly, he had tears immediately, so that was beautiful.
Yeah.
See how, because you could see his devotion as well, during the song, and then being touched by, the loving devotional emotions that come up. And I just have to say that I especially loved the flute. I love the flute. Oh, it was so beautiful.
Krishna.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Yeah, but I can also see why Sadhguru loves it so much. It's, I don't know, the lyrics, they're so, also they're so genuine, you know. I place a lotus flower or some kind of flower on the head of...
Jasmine flower.
Jasmine flower on the head of Mahadeva. It's so simple. You know what I mean? It's so simple, but so very beautiful.
Offering.
And I think, he just felt that. It's, we think we have to, I don't know, make all kinds of offerings and have to do all kinds of big things, but it's the intention, right? So even just one petal, even just one flower, if you offer that with sincerity and devotion, it's, it's everything.
Yeah, and even take it up a notch. Offer your heart. Offer your soul, offer your spirit, offer your consciousness, offer your body, offer your mind, offer everything onto the Supreme Lord Shiva, or whatever deity you identify with and believe in. As we all know on this channel, that all truth is arising from one ultimate supreme source.
Beyond names and forms and shapes.
Absolutely. So thank you so much for being with us and understanding that. If you love this video as much as we did, please let us know in the comments section. And remember, the most important thing is to raise yourself
and raise the world, and we hope Sadhguru has a fantastic day. We're actually sure he has, because it's Sadhguru.
Yeah.
He's a pure joy. He knows.
He knows more than us how to be joyful,
Exactly.
especially more than Sabine. She's irritable.
Well, everything has its time.
Everything has its time. So
it's a good sign. I have to remember that. Anyways, we love you, Sadhguru. We owe you so much gratitude, deep, deep gratitude. Oh, here comes the emotion.
oh, here we go.
Here we go.
Let him flow.
No.
Let him flow. Come on.
No, we finished now. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And we love you all.
Yes. Peace.
Peace.
Mallige, a very special thank you to you.